In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a schedule from Google Sheets into Calendar. Start by opening your Google Sheets file that contains the schedule. This is the spreadsheet where your calendar and to-do items are organized, so make sure you are in the correct sheet before you continue. Once the spreadsheet is open, go to the top menu and click Extensions. This is where add-ons and connected tools live inside Google Sheets. In the Extensions menu, find and click Calendar Events Creator. This add-on is what will take the schedule information from the sheet and turn it into calendar events. After you open Calendar Events Creator, click Start. This launches the setup area so the tool knows what data you want to use. If this is your first time running it, you may be prompted to allow permissions. Follow the prompts so it can access your Google Sheet and your Google Calendar. Without those permissions, it will not be able to create events for you. Next, click on Booking Templates. This is where the schedule details are prepared in a consistent format, which makes it easier for the add-on to create accurate events. Once you are on the Booking Templates tab, you will click to highlight the needed fields in the template area. Take your time here and be precise, because highlighting the correct cells is what tells the tool what information to read. Continue clicking and highlighting through the template fields shown on the sheet. As you move from one highlight to the next, make sure the highlighted sections match the intended booking information, such as the event title, date, start time, end time, and any other details included in the template. A helpful tip is to pause after each highlight and visually confirm you have selected the correct cell or range, especially if there are adjacent columns with similar labels. Keep going until you have completed all of the highlight selections in the Booking Templates area. When every required section is highlighted, the template is fully mapped and the schedule is ready to be used for creating calendar events automatically. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.